By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how YouTube can transform your income, no matter your current job. You might be surprised, but YouTube is actually the world's #1 social media platform. Billions of people search for content there every single day, both long-form videos and bite-sized shorts. It's exploding right now, and the best part? It's completely free to get started. Whether you're a teacher, a photographer, a barber, a student, an entrepreneur, or anything in between, YouTube can elevate your success. Even if you have a full-time job, these strategies can help you build wealth on your own terms. So stick around until the end, because I'm about to reveal the secrets to becoming a YouTube millionaire. Before we jump in, meet the custom GPT I've created for you, Digital Business Hybrid. Check this out. It can supercharge your business, create unbeatable content strategies on the platforms like YouTube and Instagram, generating leads and pushing the boundaries of innovation. Now, let's talk about getting started on YouTube. The first crucial step is picking your niche. This is your area of expertise, the topic you'll build your content around. Don't worry if you think your niche is too small. There's an audience for almost anything. You can even combine two niches for a unique perspective, like food and travel, or psychology and relationships. Share your story, your expertise, or even create content without showing your face. Feeling overwhelmed by the startup process? I've got you covered. I created a set of exclusive ebooks packed with everything you need to launch your YouTube channel with confidence, offering advanced strategies you won't find in some paid courses. Plus, as a special bonus, you'll get premium backgrounds, YouTube sound effects, essential fonts, CapCut LUTs. Start right, start smart. The beauty of YouTube is that anyone can create high-quality content, regardless of budget or fancy equipment. Your smartphone is all you need to get started. YouTube is a long-term game, so focus on creating valuable, engaging videos that resonates with your audience. The platform's algorithms reward interesting creators, giving everyone a chance to shine. With dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn, you can create content that captures hearts and minds. Remember, YouTube is a platform for creativity, uniqueness, and your authenticity. Speaking of creating and editing amazing videos faster, CapCut is your go-to tool. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with features to enhance your productivity and creativity. Now that you're creating incredible content, let's make sure it gets seen by the right audience. Here's where SEO, or search engine optimization, comes in. Tools like VidIq can be invaluable for analyzing competitor content and strategies. Study successful channels in your niche, focusing on their most watched videos and thumbnail designs. Analyze what makes them work and incorporate similar best practices into your own projects. Avoid copying low-performing ones. Instead, draw inspiration from successful themes and adapt them to your unique niche. For a deeper dive into a channel's growth, engagement, analytics, and revenue, consider using Social Blade. This website provides valuable insights to guide your content strategy. Alright, buckle up because this is where things get exciting. Making money on YouTube. Here are several ways to turn your videos into profit. YouTube ad revenue. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, you can enable ads on your videos. Let's say you have a travel niche with 1 million views on a video. With an average CPM, cost per 1,000 views, of $5 for that niche, you could earn around $5,000 from that single video. And the best part? With the right strategies, getting millions of views is achievable. Also, your videos can continue gaining views and earning you money passively for years. YouTube Shorts monetization. Don't underestimate the power of YouTube Shorts. These short-form videos offer another way to monetize your content once you meet the platform's requirements. Selling goods and services. Showcase your expertise and build trust with your audience. You can then promote your products, services, or online courses directly through your videos. Think ebooks, consultations, coaching programs, mobile apps, websites, or even custom designs. The possibilities are endless. Affiliate marketing. If you don't want to create your own products, build websites, or do other heavy lifting, no problem. Partner with other successful businesses and promote their products through affiliate links in your video descriptions. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. For example, I have a highly regarded course, YouTube Mastery 2.0, designed to help creators go viral and become millionaire entrepreneurs. This course has a fantastic affiliate program where partners can earn up to 50% commission on every sale. Anyone with an internet connection and just 1 hour of free time can get started with my affiliate program and start making money right now. Once you've chosen your program, grab your affiliate links and strategically promote them in your videos and descriptions. Leverage your existing business. If you already have a business, YouTube is a goldmine for attracting new customers and reaching a wider audience. Showcase your expertise, build brand awareness, and drive traffic to your website. Consistency is key, but never compromise quality for the sake of quantity. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged, but make sure your content is valuable and informative. High-quality videos lead to higher watch times, better engagement, and ultimately, a stronger channel. Most YouTubers give up due to lack of instant results, but by treating YouTube as a long-term game and persevering through challenges, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals. Speaking of building a strong presence, don't forget the power of Instagram. Follow me on Instagram for exclusive content, behind-the-scenes insights, and community engagement. And remember, success isn't random. It's built on knowledge and the right strategic actions. Without the proper guidance, you can waste time and effort making costly mistakes. Ready to become a top 1% and escape the rat race? Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.